What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's going on? I'm back. It's been a whole month. Really not a month. Couple days. Hey, look, them people that's spamming in the comments saying this person's legit, bam, and got they telly up there. Do not go to them. That shit that's a spam, bro. That's a spam. But I will not be making no more. I will be making CPNs, but man, I don't know. But for right now, only how I make a CPN if you buy a book with it. So I'm making the CPN for free, like, you know. So let me see. So look, I'm finna show y'all something. Hold on. Got the ebook for sale. I recreated it low key. I got Tradelines for sale, primaries and AUs, installment loans. Gotta crack my shoulder. But look, this thing got 313 pages, so stay alert to stay alive. I need a cut, you know what I'm saying? But don't let nobody tell you. Only thing you gotta do this and do this and do this. No. Because now you got puzzles that you're trying to pick up and figure out, and they misleading you. A lot of people misleading you out. But look though, 313 pages. It'll show you how to put the social together. It'll show you where to go to. You know what I'm saying? So, CPN instructions. Like, I got it. Like, I got it. It's a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot. So y'all really gotta take y'all time and read it. You invest $250, right? $250. I'll probably do it for $200. You finna make at least $5,000 in 2 weeks if you know how to, you know what I'm saying, market your business. Only thing this book don't come with is AUs. AUs I do separate. I'll show you how to make I'll show you where to get the primaries from. Primaries and AUs, they two different things. Primaries is like on-time payments on your history, you know what I'm saying? They show on time every month. I got like 7, 8 sites for primaries. AUs is authorized users, you know what I'm saying? This person add you to their trade line. You need credit card. The more years, the more older the trade line is, the better. Chase, Navy Federal, you got all types of stuff. But I only stick with Navy Federal and Capital One, Chase, like them. I stick with banks, and credit unions, all that other banks and all. But yeah, you got installment loans. It's like you putting an installment loan on us, so it's like you putting a loan on there that you paid off, like a debt. Don't let nobody tell you just gotta merge these two. Hell no, you don't gotta merge that shit. It's really a lot you gotta do, but it's not a lot. Cause the first time you make your CPN, the second time you can be, oh yeah, I got it. Make a dummy CPN first, then make your real thing. By the time you make your real thing, it's gonna be a lot. And now when y'all pay for this class, it ain't gonna be like, no, I just seen y'all the book and just text it to you. I'm gonna FaceTime y'all and go over everything. I'm gonna show you how to register your CPN with the IRS. Your tax ID. I'm gonna show you how to make a business CPN at that. For sure. A lot of people don't know how to do that, but some of y'all do, but some of y'all don't. So I'm paying $300, $400 for a blank with no trade line. When you just come to me and play $350, now add an AU on your trade line, me on your CPN, and a primary for free. Like, come on, like y'all got things smart. Now y'all wondering how you get the social, how you get the website to create your social, how you know if you're making your social right. Y'all following motherfuckers on YouTube, they just gonna send y'all off. Bro, they just gonna send y'all off. Y'all hood like me, I like it too. I'm in love with it. They just gonna send you off, man. And it's blowing me because why just not get the whole thing? Like, I got 313 pages to show you all that. The websites, they get the link soon you click onto it. You don't have to do double typing to see if the link works. As soon as you click onto this website on the page, it's going to send you right to the website directly. Stop listening to these people, man. Stop getting misleaded because y'all so thirsty. Y'all so trying to go cheap, but you got, and that shit an investment, Joe. people on YouTube, they ain't gonna really give out the sauce, you know what I'm saying? Unless they give out the sauce in private, and 9 times out of 10 they gonna scam you because the motherfucker ain't showing me the book. Like the shit I'm showing y'all, like, come on, like, the motherfucker ain't showing y'all the book. Come on, man. They realize they don't got it for real, man. They don't got it for real. They don't got it for real. So, motherfucker don't show y'all. That's if they on FaceTime y'all. Then, you just gotta test somebody. You just gotta test a person. You just gotta test them. You just gotta test them. That's all. But yeah, I got the ebook for sale. I got Tradelines for sale. Primaries, installment loans. Hit me up, man. Sunday, I'm feeling blessed, so I'm finna look out for y'all. Hey, you think cheap, you're gonna get cheap results. You think big, you're gonna get big results. I rather wanna grow and prosper instead of lower and be off some. You know what I'm saying? Hey, talk to me tonight. This is Ben, man. Rio. Check it out.